the golf kana golfing ni ati Nyali niwe Muhotani Mbitika-ini cia East African Golf Ikereka ria Ikumi na Ithathatu niko Ikereka ria Ikumi na Ithathatu iria iratafanirio kuria Kiharo-ini kia golf Nyali Kaunti-ini ya Mombasa. Caroline arahotanire na points 44 augite ati uhotani ucio ni rita riake ria gatatu Mbitika-ini cia golf iria ikoretwo igitafanirio mwena-ini wa Nyali guku ni Kaunti-ini ya Mombasa.
Mwena, who played off a handicap of 26 and scored some ridiculous 44 points. Nyarandi.
My name is Caroline Kerubo Nyarandi. I'm a mother of 3, married to a Mr. Nyarandi. Well, it was not an easy thing, but I thank God and I thank my Mr. Karamu who taught me how to play the game. I appreciate it so much. It was not an easy thing. My football, well, they were tough. Dr. Koi and Dr. Omara and Mariga, they were a good team. I'm going to prepare that every day that I'm going to be playing the game every day so that I can still keep on being a winner. And sure enough, for the last 3 weekends, I have been leading. We had the Krima golf, and we also had the last weekend, we also had another one, and I was still the winner. So this one, I just won.
Nyarandi.